love flying. I mean, it's definitely a unique experience. I've seen so much of the state and other states as well, just flying everywhere. Normally people pay for it or you have to get a lot of training for it, and here you get trained while getting paid, so it's awesome. So with the California National Guard, I have done fires, water dropping missions, search and rescues, mostly up at Mount Whitney and Mammoth. I deployed with the unit in 2017-18 to Iraq, where we flew all over Iraq, Kuwait, and Syria. And yeah, just a bunch of missions that we do, a lot of support missions throughout the state. For a day-to-day operation, we initially start off with kind of a meeting to see what the priorities are for the aircraft. We split off into groups and we try to get as much maintenance done as we can. On a flying day, it really depends on the mission, but it's a little bit more exciting because you got to go out, you got to fly throughout the state. Sometimes during the day we'll fly to maybe Monterey or Sonoma or out to the coast, do some training out there and then come back, eat, and then fly out for the night vision portion. So I initially joined for school. I joined because I wanted to be self-reliant, and then I kind of fell in love with it, so I'm still going to school and still in the National Guard, helping out the community, trying to make a difference during search and rescues and fires, just knowing that you're out there helping.